In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink PayPal from Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect the PayPal feed inside Zoho Books so it stops importing transactions while keeping your records tidy and your workflow smooth. Before we begin, a quick note. Unlinking removes the live connection to PayPal. It doesn't affect your actual PayPal account, but it can impact imported feeds in Zoho Books. If you rely on those for reconciliation or reporting, consider noting down your current balances or exporting any needed reports first. Start by opening your browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Sign in to the correct organization if you manage more than one, so you're working in the right company file. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Banking. This is where Zoho Books lists all your connected bank and wallet feeds, including PayPal. On the banking page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Active Accounts. This is the area that shows accounts with active feeds. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right PayPal feed, especially if you've connected multiple accounts in the past. You're looking for the entry typically named PayPal Balance or similar. Click on PayPal Balance to open its details. This brings up the account's dashboard where you'd normally see imported transactions and status information. At the top right of this page, look for the small gear icon. That gear is your settings menu for this specific account connection. Click the gear icon to open the options, then choose Delete. In Zoho Books, deleting the PayPal balance account entry removes the feed and effectively unlinks PayPal from this organization. You may see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully so you understand what data will be removed and what will remain. If you're confident you no longer need the live feed or pending imported statements, go ahead and confirm. After you delete, the PayPal feed will no longer fetch new transactions and the account will disappear from your active accounts list. Any reports you run from now on will rely on the data that still exists in Zoho Books, not on incoming PayPal imports. If at any point you decide to reconnect, you can return to banking and set up PayPal again as a new feed. That's it, quick and clean. You've navigated to Zoho Books, opened banking, found your active accounts, selected PayPal balance, used the gear menu, and deleted the connection to unlink it. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your books after this change to ensure everything looks the way you expect.